Welcome to Fire Alarm Test 19. So let's begin. So right here I have a System Sensor Spectral Alert Classic Horn Strobe multi-candela set on 110 candela at the moment. It does look a little weird because it's not on the mounting bracket all the way. But, oh well. These are very nostalgic alarms to me because these were in my preschool. I have featured this in a fire alarm test before, so I don't think I'm really going to go in much detail with it this time. Then over here we have the Silent Night BG12 as always. And we have a system sensor low frequency sounder from the Spectral Alert Advanced series. And then also we have a Wheelock RSS ceiling mount remote strobe in white with a fixed 15 candela strobe. So before I do actually set off the alarms, if you have any kind of epilepsy, please don't watch this as there will be lights flashing, and please turn your volume down as this will be very loud. But before I do actually set off the fire alarms, for this month, fire alarm tests, as well as my home exit sign videos, might slow down a lot because I am running out of ideas, and there is quite a few alarms that I can't use. Maybe because I need a mounting bracket for it and I don't have one. Or maybe because I don't know the proper voltage on it because the label is very worn on the back, or there's not even a label on the back. Or I'm a little skeptical about the voltage, like on Edwards Integrities. They say 20 to 24 volts. And the 9-volt batteries provide 27 volts. If you put 3 of them together, obviously. So, yes. And my birthday is coming up in about a month from now, so I should be getting a few new fire alarm devices that I can use. But anyways, I will be back with some noise. And before I actually start, one more thing. Classic's just currently set on the regular tone code 3 horn, and this is also set on code 3. So let's begin. Sometimes I'm not actually used to using a pull station on these, so I'm going to pull this first, and the low frequency sounder is going to sound, but then I'll connect the RSS and Classic off camera. So here we go. Alright, so here we go. This is on low volume. This is not even that loud. I could handle that without ear protection, to be honest. Same thing with this one. I'm not going to really do that much coding options this time because I don't really feel like taking the mounting bracket off the low frequency sounder because that fire alarm does require a mounting bracket to wire up, and I would have to take it off in order to go to the back of the alarm, which is covered by the mounting bracket, to change the coding. So I'm going to just change this to 3000 hertz, and how you would do that is there are some dip switches in the corner, and to the left it gives you the options as the right side would be on, the left side would be off. And everything is set on off right now. So I might make most of this the opposite. So the switch on the top indicates the volume. The switch in the middle indicates the coding, which is continuous or code 3. And the switch on the bottom indicates the tone it's doing, the normal tone or the 3000 hertz tone. So I am going to only put switch 3 on the on position real quick. FYI, it is kind of hard to change to what you want with the switches with your own fingers, because they're kind of small, so I would recommend using a tiny flathead screwdriver, as it works pretty much every time. Already got the RSS and Classic going, so I'm gonna just pull this again. This tone's a little louder. As the washing machine's going completely crazy. So I'm going to reset the pull station on camera. I shut off the other 2 alarms. This one's still going. So I gotta unlock the pull station. Kind of hard to open with one hand. When you open it, you have to flip the switch back to normal instead of being on activated. And then close the pull station and lock it so it doesn't open again. Anyways, that is going to do it for this fire alarm test. I hope you all enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.